Hi guys, so this is my first video, so pardon me of the quality. So yeah, yesterday I was trying to put my new heated grips from Oxford and trying to install the USB connector. Yeah, so the main purpose of the video is just to tell you that so that you don't destroy your handlebars is because if you're installing new bar ends or if you're installing new grips, then you have to get this thing out, right, if you can see it. But the problem is that I went all over on the internet because they were really hard to get off in the first place, and then I did my research, and then I got to know that the problem here is that this nut that goes inside is locked tight inside the bar weight, so when you try to move it, the whole thing moves inside. So the solution for this is that you have to take the whole thing out. Once you have the whole thing out, then you can use the wrench to fix it, to put it over here, and then use the key, Allen key, to get the nut out of the bar end. Takes a lot of strength, a lot of time, and then you have to be careful not to destroy your handlebars. Yeah, I could do that to my bar end because I'm going to install the bar busters, so I could sacrifice them, but I couldn't find any other better way to get them out because you really had to struggle with it. Yeah, so with the heated grips, simple wiring, still have to make it a bit tidier. Put a zip tie here, but simple, easy, straightforward. All this wire and this wire and this wire goes all down and meet at the junction there, and then there's one wire coming from under the tank that goes into the battery. The good thing about the heated grips from Oxford are that they're intelligent enough to shut down when the battery is low, so they don't drain your battery. And I took all these things off the fairings, so I can put it a bit neatly under the tank. And yeah, also the other thing that I did, install the DC socket, as I mentioned, and it's pretty straightforward because these connectors, bullet connectors, male and female, is already there on the bike. You just have to connect the other ones, and yeah, it's pretty straightforward. I had to buy 2 bullet connectors and attach them to the wires, and also have to buy a relay from the Kawasaki dealer for like 19 euros, and it was pretty straightforward because this relay is already there. You just have to put in there, yeah, buy the relay and just put it in there, and the rest is pretty straightforward here. Yeah, just to make you guys aware that be careful when you are trying to install the heated grips or to install different bar ends. So these are the components, that's how they look like inside it, and just be careful not to ruin your handlebars. Hope this helps. Let me know in the comments if you have any. Yeah. Have a great day.